Alright, hi guys. So, I want to do a very quick video on this example here. I know I did a short video on it on my YouTube, but I am going to post this video in that in the basically in the description of that short video, but I'm gonna go over more kind of just explain how exactly I did it, because I feel like I explained it very quickly in that short video, and I don't, basically what I'm trying to say is I don't want to, basically I want to make sure that we understand how to do it. That's what I mean. So I'm going to go ahead and write down the limit again. So the limit as x approaches 4 of the square root of x minus 2 over x minus 4, right? And obviously, if we do direct substitution, I had already said it's 0 over 0, which is oh no, right? But I'm going to go ahead and do it again, just so that you guys can understand exactly how I did it. So, square root of 4 minus 2 over, and then there was 4, and then minus 4, right? And that's how, that's basically, it's by direct substitution. You're just substituting your 4 in for x, right? And from there, what you're going to do is you're going to go ahead and simplify. So you have 2 minus 2 over 0, and that gives you 0 over 0. Remember that we don't want 0 over 0 in our limits, right? We want to have either does not exist, or we want to have we want to know if it exists or not. We want to have an actual number. So what you're going to do is you're going to go ahead and take the expression, the algebraic expression, square root of x minus 2 over x minus 4, and you're going to go ahead and multiply by the conjugate. Now, what I mean by that is if, for example, if I say the square root of a minus b, the conjugate of that would be the square root of a plus b. So that means that the conjugate of this would be the square root of x plus 2, and you're going to do it on top and bottom. You're going to multiply it. You're going to basically multiply on top and bottom by the square root of x plus 2, right? So anytime you take the conjugate of the top, so anytime you take the conjugate of the square root, now let's say if negative 2 was on the inside, you don't really have to do anything with that, right? It's only if, for example, if I have the square root of x and then whatever's on the outside, if there's being a number subtracted or added, then yes, you do have to multiply it by the opposite of that. So that it would be the square root of x plus 2. It's simple arithmetic. So basically, or simple algebra. So here we have x minus 4 over, and the reason how I got x minus 4 is, for example, if you go ahead and do FOIL method with these, and again, if you don't know this theorem, it's okay. You can always just do FOIL method and it'll give you the exact same thing. So, and the bottom, you're gonna have to keep it unfactored. So you're not gonna FOIL the bottom, or unfoiled, excuse me. So you're not gonna FOIL the bottom. You're just gonna FOIL the top. So here we have, it's gonna be if we do the square root of x times the square root of x, that's gonna be x, because it's really just the square root of x quantity squared, right? And then we have plus 2 square root x, and then minus 2 square root x, and then we have minus 4, because negative 2 times 2 is negative 4, right? So then we have over x minus 4 times the square root of x plus 2. So then, from looking at this, these two cancel out. So then we have x minus 4 over, and then it's going to be x minus 4 times the square root of x plus 2, right? And then we go ahead and do 1 over square root of x plus 2, like this. And then by direct substitution, we can go ahead and substitute the limit back in. The limit, it was a limit as x approaches 4, so we can plug 4 back in here. So we have 1 over the square root of 4 plus 2, which is really just 1 over 2 plus 2, which is 1/4. So the limit as x approaches 4 of square root of x minus 2 over x minus 4 is really just 1/4, right? Yes, it's really just 1/4. Okay. Alright guys, that is how you do this example. If you have any questions, please let me know. Please like, comment, and or subscribe, and I will see you guys in the next video. Bye guys.